Travel Essentials, your guide to smart packing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful topic, especially for those who love to travel. We'll be discussing travel essentials. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in your English learning journey but also in preparing for your next adventure. Travel essentials refers to the most important items you need to pack when going on a trip. These are the things that are essential for your comfort, safety, and convenience while you are away from home. The word essential means absolutely necessary or extremely important, and it's a key word to remember here. Knowing about travel essentials is crucial because it helps in efficient and smart packing. It ensures that you carry everything you need, avoiding any inconvenience during your trip. It's especially important for those who are new to traveling or learning English, as it can help them understand what experienced travelers typically consider important. Let's break down some common travel essentials. They usually include important documents, like passports, visas, and ID cards. Money, including cash and cards. Clothing, appropriate for the destination's weather. Personal care items, like toiletries and medications. Electronics, such as phones, chargers, and adapters. Comfort items, like travel pillows and earplugs. Remember, what counts as a travel essential can vary depending on the person and the destination. Here are some tips for packing your travel essentials. 1. Make a list. Write down everything you need before you start packing. 2. Prioritize. Pack the most important items first. 3. Check weather and local conditions. This helps in choosing the right clothing and gear. 4. Travel size items. Opt for smaller, travel-sized versions of personal care items to save space. 5. Stay organized. Use packing cubes or bags to keep your essentials organized and easily accessible. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what travel essentials are and why they are important for your travels. Remember, being prepared is key to a stress-free and enjoyable trip. Happy travels and happy learning! If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language learning content. Stay safe and see you in our next video.